doing pretty awesome and I hope all is well with you, girl. Girl, for today, we're going to talk about some online mini haul. Okay, so hindi naman talaga ako mahilig mag-online shopping, but since this is now my job, being a beauty blogger, I really need to buy something online so I can share to you my thoughts and my reviews about makeup na nabibili online. So, ang una kong binili online is this sace lady. Girl, it has this illuminating liquid glow highlighter, matte long-wear foundation, glitter and glow liquid eyeshadow, full cover concealer corrector. Okay, girls, this is very affordable. Ito yung foundation. Ito yung concealer niya, girl. This is the highlighter, girls. Girl, ito yung pinaka-excited ako, yung glow and glitter liquid eyeshadow ng Sace Lady. I'm super duper excited and I just want to try this out, everything. And then, I bought something from Focallure. So, this one is Focallure, guys. This is kind of good. Okay. I will not swatch this. It has 18 eyeshadow. Also, I just want to share this to you. So, this one is pretty cool. Okay. I have here for the eyes. This one is an intense eyeliner. And then this one is a mascara. Okay. And then this one is color mix. This is a blush on, girl. This is the concealer. And here is for the lips. Okay. And then, girl, this is just a 75 pesos brush. And look, this is 20 pieces. Okay, sobrang natuwa talaga ako nung nabili ko to. I'll make a separate review for this one because this is just 70 pesos for this one. It is really cool. As you can see, ang dami kong bili na brush just for 70 pesos. Look how amazing this looks like, right? So, ayun. Ang dami kasing mura online. When you shop online, para kang namimili sa Divisoria. So, sabi ko, why not just buy here na lang than go to Divisoria na mas malayo. Okay, tapos ito, girls. Oh, this one, lalagyan. This is just 39 pesos. Oh, girl, diba? Ang bongga. Lalagyan ng mga liquid lipsticks. Ang dami mo nang mailalagay. So, ayan. Lagyan natin ng sample. So, ito, kunyari, lalagyan natin. Kasi ito, diba? Kasyang-kasya. Lahat ng collection nyo ng lipstick or anything, parang mga jumbo pencil, pwedeng-pwede itong lalagyan. And it's just 39 pesos. Parang presyong Divisoria. So, why go to Divisoria? Just click that Shopee link and click that button. Kesa pumunta pa ako ng Divisoria just to find this murang stuff. So, yun. And then, bumili rin ako nito, girl. Ito, itatry natin to sa aking channel. This one is for cat's eyeliner or paglagay ng eyeliner. Kasi, girl, ang hirap maglagay ng wing eyeliner or cat's eye. Diba? Alam mo yan. Alam mo yan, girl. Mahirap. And then, I bought this. Sabi yung seller, this one is original clay brush and Autumn Organics. So, sabi ni ate girl, this is original. And girl, guess what? How much is this? This is just 25 pesos! Oh my G! Para talaga sa blush on, 25 pesos lang yan, girl. So, let's try this. Pinakamurang blush on sa balat ng lupa na nabili ko. Okay, so ganyan yung itsura niya. Hindi ko kasi matiis. So, itatry. Lagyan lang natin since wala pa naman akong makeup. So, ayan, nabula. Oh, very pigmented siya, girls. So, that's it, girls, for today. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. So, hit the thumbs up button. And please don't forget to subscribe in my channel. And yung katabi, i-click nyo na rin yung ring button para ma-update kayo sa mga susunod ko pang kagandang videos, girls. So, see you again, guys, in my next kagandang videos. Bye!